Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make Special Egg Masala Curry.
It's a very tasty egg curry. We can serve this egg curry along with rice, roti, chapati or Porotta. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 2 onions and half cup of mint leaves. Add some water and grind it into a paste form. Transfer it into a bowl for later use. Also make tomato paste using 1 tomato and keep it for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Cook for 1 minute. Then add egg halves to fry on medium flame. We have taken 4 eggs. So hence we do have 8 pieces. At first fry the yellow side. After frying one side, flip the sides and fry it. Now in the same oil, add 2 tablespoons oil and add the onion paste and mix it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and saute it for 4 minutes. Then add 1 tomato paste and saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now add 2 tablespoon curd and mix it well. Also add half cup of water and give a stir. Boil for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add the eggs and boil for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Finally add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves and mix it. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Switch off the flame. Our special egg curry is ready. We have made thick gravy. If you need more gravy, you can add up to 1 cup of water and make it lesser thick egg curry.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.